marry a Hausa girl, oh, Aisha. And Yoruba fi marry Igbo girl, oh, na Aisha. Hausa fi marry Igbo girl, oh, Aisha. Aisha,
she was a dream. She was a dream. She's want to go away with another woman. Dream. This is a dream. Otegubobo, wake off. Tashina, wake off. You must tell me what you are doing today. I caught you today. I caught you black-handed. Walk off. Otegubobo, Tashi. Don't call me that kind of name. Who is Anita? Anita, who is Anita? You answer my question. I ask you question, you answer my question.
This is just 3 a.m. now. Why are you waking me up to ask me who is Anita?
I saw the revelation. Something she's revealed on me, on my mind. I was on sleep. My mind is closed. I saw you and one woman. One woman, she's come on this house. She's come with big belly. She said that she's pregnant. Kuma, she said that she's pregnant on you. That you are the person that gave her the belly. And that you people, you plan to leave this country.
My Mama, what is all this nonsense now? How can you wake me up by 3 a.m. to be asking me all these questions?
You are saying that what I'm saying is nonsense.
Did you see me and Anita? Who is Anita?
I saw you on my dream. She's bigger than dream. That is why I call it revelation. And all my dreams she's come to pass. This is not going to come to pass. That is why you must tell me who she's Anita.
Because of Dilim. That's why she wake me up. Just a common Dilim.
You shall not deny it. Who is Anita? They show me the woman. She's fair. She's half body. Kuma, she's cheeky. She's stomach is big.
It's just a dream now.
She cannot be a dream. My dream she's come past. I dreamed that me and you we shall be together. And now today we are together. Now Kuma, I dream that you are with another woman.
There is nobody like Anita.
Let me see your phone. You shall hear your phone. Unlock your phone and show me the number. Show me the woman. I shall talk to her as a woman to woman. She's going to leave you alone. You show me.
I've unlocked my phone.
Check
with Anita. Take now.
Tashi. Get off. Get the number.
Take my phone.
You press, I know how you hide all the number on it's just your phone. You hide the number yourself. Show me. We are not
just
going.
A dream.
It cannot be only a dream. This is bigger than a dream. This is a revelation.
Did you see me and Anita in new life?
Yes, I saw.
In new life.
No, on the revelation, I saw it. You man wear that clothes that you like to wear together with me. I cannot agree for this thing to happen. Show me the girl number. I shall call her. We dialogue. She tell me what she want. How can she want to take my man away from me?
Take my phone.
Look at me very well. Open your eyes and look at me.
I'm sleeping.
I am look like a girl.
Tomorrow is work, please. Leave me, let me sleep.
Okay,
Jesus Christ. See, what kind of nonsense is this now? What kind of nonsense?
Wake up! You are a big man. I cannot carry you. Wake up.
It's just a dream now. Leave me.
She's bigger than a dream. She's bigger than a dream. I saw you with one woman. Ugu to Ugu. Your Ugu, she's mad close together.
Did you see me in real life with Anita? It's not a dream.
This can happen on real life if you don't give me this woman's number.
I don't know who's Anita. Leave me now.
Odegubobo, stand off. Stand off. Stand off. Odegubobo, stand off.
What kind of wala is this? What kind of wala is this?
Stand off. You got me to come over. You will kill me.